Hey guys, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the new Motorola RAZR, an iconic foldable device running on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. We're going to check out some of its awesome features, including quick view display and that cool, flexible screen, and see what's inside the box. Let's get into it. Now this box is uniquely designed. You get a preview of what's inside through the transparent part in the lid, and it actually can be used as a stand for your new RAZR. Behind the new RAZR, you'll find a RAZR accessory pouch. It contains documentation, T-Mobile SIM card, charging cable, turbocharger, and 3.5mm headset adapter. Checking out the new RAZR, it has a 6.2-inch foldable display with a 20-megapixel selfie camera on the inside. And on the outside, you'll see the RAZR's 2.7-inch Quick View touchscreen display. The Quick View display has quite a bit of functionality. There are games. You can use it with the 48-megapixel main camera for really nice selfies, notes and calculator apps, navigation, and even reply to text messages. On the outside of the phone, the RAZR's 48-megapixel camera includes great features like night vision, pro camera, and spot color video modes. And many of these are available when you use it as a selfie cam. Check out this spot color video example. The RAZR is crafted from 7000 series aluminum, and its hinge is built from stainless steel. It's charged via the included 15-watt turbocharger, and its fingerprint sensor is located conveniently on the back. And don't forget, the RAZR is ready to rock T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. For more information, check out the RAZR at your favorite T-Mobile store and T-Mobile.com. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.